Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find, guys, where the fuse for the fuel door is located, the fuel cap, let's say you have the release switch that you click to open the fuel door and it doesn't open, we'll explain, guys, which fuse control that and how to check it and where to find it if you need to replace it. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information about testing the fuses, and also we'll have a video how to replace the actuator and the switch if the problem is in the actuator or the switch for the fuel door, guys. So let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the food, well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you where the interior fuse box is located, guys. Okay, it's, you saw where it is, but what we did, we actually took a picture, okay, of the fuse box. Okay, right here, let me open it. We took a picture of the fuse box so we can show you with a great detail where that fuse is located, because practically with everything in place, it's practically impossible to do that. So if I took a picture and printed it so I can zoom it. That's actually, guys, the back of the lid, and you can see the fuses are named, some of them, but some fuses control multiple things. For instance, the fuel door, you will never be able to find a fuse here. But if you guys look at it, okay, you need to come to the first row, okay, right here, that's row number 1, and you come to fuse number 2. This is that 10 amp fuse. This 10 amp fuse, guys, is actually the one that controls the fuel door. It's known as a trunk fuse. That trunk fuse actually controls the fuel door, and you can find it, okay, this one right here. Now, these fuses, guys, okay, if you need to buy a new fuse or anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get all the tools, parts and fuses from for a really good price. Also, guys, I always recommend test the fuse, because you may think you have a good fuse, it may look okay, but actually it's a bad fuse. We actually have a special video that tells you how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. That way, guys, if you need to test the fuse, you will know where you can find that, okay, and know for sure that's a good or bad fuse. Also, we'll have a video that explains how to replace the fuel door actuator and the switch as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you looking for that information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.